How to factory reset Oppo Reno7 Pro 5G. First, turn off your device by pushing the power key for a few moments. After the phone turns off, press and hold volume down and power button for few seconds. When you see this recovery screen, select the language to English. Now navigate and select Wipe Data. Once you are prompted for the password, enter the verification code displayed on screen. Now you select Format Data. Now confirm and click on Format. After you get wiped successfully on screen, click on OK to restart. I hope this method works for you. Like and subscribe to stay connected. Thanks for watching.